Hey y'all, here we are once again at Kerr Lake, our favorite place. It is May 1st, 2025. Look how beautiful it is out here. We just got here. It is like 7 o'clock.
All right, 2025 Bugs Island Kerr Lake trip.
We are putting our stuff out. It's like sunset. It is so pretty. We got a great spot right here, right where the sun's going down. Thomas is going ahead and getting all the stuff unloaded. We got our little sitting spot, a little fire pit. We got 2 fire pits. One over there, a little table. Got our bikes. And where our tent's gonna be. Beautiful sight to wake up to right here, right in between these trees. All right, we'll see y'all once this tent's up.
Here's our tent.
Pretty, very pretty spot.
Got 2 rooms in there. It's beautiful out here, guys. Y'all stick around. We're gonna catch some catfish and cook some good camp meals, and it's gonna be interesting to see.
Enjoy. Don't forget, last but not least, enjoy husband and wife time.
That's right. I'm out here trying to catch a bait fish. Man, it's a beautiful day. Started out pretty windy, just windy all night, and our air mattress kind of deflated on its own. I don't know why. It was leaking air a little bit, but we had to go to Walmart this morning to go get a new air mattress. But yeah, there's our camp back there. I'm out here at the point. This is a beautiful day. Sloan's at the bathhouse. Hopefully I can catch maybe a brim or a white perch. Something to bait the hook. Y'all stick with us.
Yes. Nice little brim.
Got one. Got some bait.
All right, don't get a juice over here.
He might flick you with some juice. Watch out. Woo! Watch out. He's lively.
Oh yeah. My gosh.
Got some catfish bait. We're gonna get some. Have it going on now. What you got there? That looks good.
Homemade BLT.
Show it off a little bit.
Oh dang, I can't even pick that one up.
Pick up the plate. Wow.
Toasted.
She's doing a good job.
So good.
And I get the turkey sandwich. Man, something ain't adding up here. Got a little visitor here. He's hungry. Trying to get him to eat it from my hand here. Oh, he got it. He got it from my hand. Look at him. He got it that time.
Don't give him big pieces.
Watch him, watch him, watch him, watch him, watch him.
Oh my gosh. Spoiled freaking duck.
He's like, all right, I'm full. I'm out of here. I've had my fill. I'm gone. I gotta wet this sucker. My mouth's dry. His mouth was dry.
Because you gave him some.
I guess so.
Where's some more?
That's hilarious. Here, give him some of that. Give him the rest of it. He'll eat it. Watch. He just needed to get his mouth dry. He needed to wet his whistle.
Come on,
He's coming back.
Look at him.
He's coming back.
He's so cute. Is that a girl?
Yeah, I think it's a girl.
Come here, sweetie girl.
Look. Here, squat down.
Come here. Come on. She is so trusting.
She was thirsty. She had to get
Come
something
here,
to
baby.
drink.
Come
Here,
here.
throw it close to us.
She'll come. I'm kind of scared she might. Oh, God. She almost literally nipped my finger.
She ain't gonna hurt you.
Oh, I'm scared now.
No. Let her do it. Let her do it. Ain't gonna hurt you.
Here, baby.
Give her a piece. Hold on a second. Hold
All
on a
right.
second. I
Here,
gotta tear
so
that up.
she needs little pieces. Come here, I get it. She can barely get it. Oh my God.
We got one. We got a pretty one, man. Thinking I'm just gonna let this one go. She has a ton of eggs in her. Look how fat she is. But pretty fish. Blue cat, man. Awesome. There she goes. Like a torpedo. Awesome catch. That was a great catch. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all in the morning. Good morning. What's up, y'all? Dude, it rained hard last night. Like, I caught that fish and probably went to bed about an hour after that, and then probably around like 1:30 it just started downpouring, and it didn't stop for a few hours, but we stayed dry. Not so bad. Right now, cooking some bacon. I made some coffee, and thinking about making bacon, egg, and cheese biscuits this morning. Flip them bad boys right there. Let's go check out what Sloan's up to. Hey, princess.
Hey, y'all.
How'd you sleep last night?
I slept pretty good, but my back hurts a little bit.
Oh, really?
It's fine, yeah.
Yeah, my neck hurt last night when I was sleeping. I don't know what happened. I was just, I got up, I sat up for a while, didn't I?
Yeah, it was kind of weird. I thought you were sleepwalking.
But my neck was just killing me. I don't know, the pillow was weird. Why does your back hurt?
The mattress is deflated.
The mattress is deflated.
It's still got to stretch out as Thomas puts it.
Yeah, I think if you buy a new one, you gotta blow it up a few times after you lay on it. The material stretches.
We've had thick ones up here, all the way up here. We've had the best of the best, and some of them have been really good. But
yeah,
there's some, the ones that are thicker always deflate. And me and Thomas, the night before, last night, deflated all the way to the ground with a thick mattress, and I'm just like so confused because this one is thin.
right. Yeah, that's a thin mattress.
It's fine.
Oh, it did a lot better.
Crazy.
It did do a lot better. I mean, I was pretty comfortable mattress wise.
Yeah.
Just gotta get my pillows right. But man, it's a beautiful day, you guys. Check it out. It's supposed to rain tonight again. It's supposed to get rain all night and then a lot of rain tomorrow on Sunday. But the sun's creeping over the trees. It's about to be on us. Hope everybody, all our neighbors did okay. They came in last night, folks over there, and a lot of people came in last night. But yeah, this morning I woke up and I was trying to do a video because I caught another catfish. But the video got messed up. I'm unable to view it, so I'll just show you all the fish I caught. It was a nice channel cat right there. Nice channel cat. And we're just gonna keep a few of them. I'm not gonna keep a whole bunch. And so yeah, we're gonna try to catch some more bait fish today and enjoy the day. Maybe go swimming. We'll finish up cooking this breakfast. And
hey, yeah, we're gonna eat out there like that.
it's windy outside.
So good.
That wind is whipping. Look at that.
Look at this breakfast.
This is the bacon, scrambled egg and cheese, camp biscuits. Ba-boom.
Ready?
What's the verdict?
Good.
Is it good? Oh, I look tired. Oh man, it's hard to cook when the wind's whipping that hard on that stove outside.
Show the wind.
Yeah, the wind, man. This white capping out there, the waves on top of the water. Should stop at about noon. Yeah. Later on. All right, I'm gonna eat. What's up? I'm with my nephew, Lennon. He's out here. We're swimming and we're fishing. We're having fun out here in the sun.
What's up, guys? We just caught another fish, and we're gonna use it as bait. He swallowed this thing, but we don't really care. We're just gonna use him as bait, cut him up anyways. Hi guys, we're going to the dam and Kerr Lake, and then we're gonna see the water flow, and we're gonna see what's happening, and we might throw a couple rods out there and stuff, so keep watching and stay tuned. So everybody's just fishing down here, and hopefully somebody will catch something soon. See what the action is.
I'm going to get my friend.
So everybody's sunburnt. You and me, right here. Everybody's so burnt. Got this huge catfish right there. I don't know. Ooh, it's a lot deeper. I used to could go down there. That's where I was standing on, dude. Got in a lot deeper. Oh, he's got something. He's got something. Might be something good. Might have something good. Just hopefully he'll be the first one to catch this. First one here to catch this full one out this year. Might have something. You got it. No! Big striper! Big striper! Woo! Big striper! Big striper! Big striper! Huge striper! Oh,
Mauro Pesca, suscríbanse.
wow!
Sí.
Huge
Compartan y denle like.
striper! Look at
¿No estás
that thing!
encabronado, Carlos? No, no.
This thing's
Primero.
huge! Look at that thing! Massive! Oh my gosh! Huge striper! Got right here. Oh! Catfish, catfish! Big old catfish. Look at that thing. Oh! Huge! Blue cat! Blue cat! Blue cat!
You're gonna lose it. Get it.
Big old blue
Here.
cat!
Here. Why you looking right there? Huh? I said, why are you looking right there? You want to? Yeah. God damn, yeah. It's on.
Holy cat! That's a.
So let him
Watch
go.
out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Sorry, buddy. They don't hook him in the bridges. Get his pants. Here you go.
Yeah, we're hooked up. Oh, babe, I got a striper. I caught a striper. Oh my gosh, bro, it's my first striper. Look at that, man. That's a pretty fish. Babe.
That's cool.
Look at that. Here, pick up the, hold the camera. Look at that. Woo.
Put him
Look
back.
at that thing.
okay?
No way. I'm taking him home and eating this bad boy.
Babe,
He is dinner. Nice
Wow.
striper. Holy crap.
that's crazy.
That's crazy.
Dinner is served, and guess who didn't cook anything? I was going like this. Me. And we got some chili with beans, which looks really good.
Yep.
We got some hot dogs. And that's
Hot
it.
dogs, chili,
And that's all.
mustard, and ketchup.
No sides. We don't need them. It is fine. I'm feeling
We just
pretty
cooked
good.
some hot dogs tonight. This
Some
is
chili
good.
with beans.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much. I appreciate that.
Looks good, don't it?
It sure does. Thank you, ma'am. Good morning. Oh my gosh, you guys. It rained so hard last night. It is insane. I had to bring my tarp down so that all this stuff would stay somewhat dry. But man, it got in the tent right here. In the tent. We stayed mostly dry, but man, it was pretty bad. It was raining like crazy. How'd last night go, baby?
It was super.
Gosh!
What
That's the bacon and the biscuits, yeah. And it went. You guys
that's how it's going.
That is how it's going right now.
It is crazy. It was a storm like no other I've ever seen. And it was scary. It was kind of fun, but not really until the water started dripping on my head.
Yeah, the water would drip on your head a little bit last night.
From the tent. And then, but the tent held up really well.
It did.
So.
Yeah. Next time we need to put that flap down.
Yeah, we didn't put that flap down, which really kind of threw everything.
Yeah. We started closing it.
A little bit.
I closed it to get wet though.
But it was fun. Everything got dry besides our towels and hammocks and some of the wood. But that's about it.
Well, it is windy right now.
Yeah, it's super windy now. And we got some good old breakfast
Wind
now.
is
China's
blowing.
cooked.
My hair looks crazy. Look at that.
Croissants, egg, bacon, and cheese.
Pan-fried croissant, bacon, egg, and cheese. We've been eating good breakfast.
It's fun.
Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna eat mine too. Got me one. Better be careful.
It's buttery.
My food will fly away if I'm not careful. But yeah, guys, we're gonna just chill out and enjoy the day. It's gonna be a cloudy day, I think. Maybe we'll catch some more bait fish some more.
Do something.
It might warm up enough to go swimming, but it's supposed to be a little colder today. Yeah. Y'all stick around. Me and Slime were dead asleep, man, and then we got one of them bells started going off. We caught a nice catfish. Nice blue cat, man. Big old blue catfish. Yeah, that's a good sized catfish, guys. That's a big old blue cat. We won't let it go. He's gone now. Nice. Nice catfish. Yeah, we're hooked up. Check it out, guys. Another pretty channel, blue cat. Yeah, it's about like 4 in the morning. My neighbor's asleep. I gotta be quiet. That's a nice fish, man. I think we're gonna put this one in the cooler. We'll keep this one. Yeah. I was dead asleep, man. I heard them bells go off. But I'm gonna put this in the cooler and we'll catch y'all in the morning. All right. Good morning, everybody. It is our last day out here. And then, boy, it is a beautiful one. It is nice and calm today, man. We had a calm night last night with it rained a little bit, but it just wasn't, it wasn't windy. Crazy wind like it usually.
That was too much.
The first 3 nights, it's just been so windy. What are you doing over here, Tutu?
Make some coffee and...
She make coffee and she cleaning the grill and she making breakfast?
Yeah.
All right. Damn, Emma. She does a good job.
I don't want to go home to my half-done washing machine.
But what about Peaches?
Yeah, I want to see Peaches, but not
Peaches is at home.
be able to do laundry.
You don't want to go home and see Peaches?
No.
I gotta fix our laundry.
Yeah.
Gotta fix our laundry when we get home. But it's on the schedule, Tutu.
We'll see.
All right, guys. I told you, you gotta eat with your fingers. I get a fork. But you don't. There you go. Now she's starting to do what she's told.
Shut up.
I'm just playing.
Where's the fork at, then? Let me pick him up. Is that
Hey.
is that a snapper?
No, it's a boxing turtle.
Oh, he's peeing. Poor bud. You okay, buddy? You
Save
okay?
him, Tony. Get him over there. He's going that way.
Oh, they got sharp. Yeah.
Look at his shell. It's so pretty.
Gosh, are you sure it's not a snapper, baby?
No, that's a box turtle. Look at him. He's so
Look
pretty.
at his daggum neck.
He's like, no.
No, he's like trying to bite me.
Yeah, he's scared. Here, just set him right there. There you go. That was a bad spot. Look at his pattern on his shell, you guys. Isn't that pretty? I love boxing turtles, man. They're cool.
Or should we put them in the sun?
They're pretty.
Ben, quit.
He's
There's a
going.
car coming.
All right, guys. There he goes.
Oh, shit.
We're good.
This car's coming.
It's all good. They're gonna hit us. Get in there quick, Tony. Go, go, go.
Almost just took us out.
It almost took us out.
Oh, my gosh. I'm just like, just want one night.
It
I
blew.
mean, last night was good, but
It's raining. It's starting to rain again.
gosh, it was just so bad. I didn't think we were going to make it.
It blew our canopy away, like right off of over the picnic table. And it almost blew the tent away. We had to hold the tent up. I was holding the canopy up.
Baby, it's cold. Move your elbow. Woo, it's freezing.
Yeah, but we're taking refuge in the tent now after it's over.
We're under the covers, all comfy.
We packed everything up the best we can. Just riding out this rain.
It's nice in here. It's warm under
But
these covers.
I don't know, man. It was like a freaking tornado come through here. And it's like all of a sudden, just crazy wind just came and just blew everything away. It almost took our tent out. It almost did.
Yeah. If I wasn't in here.
Sloan was holding up the tent, and I was out there holding up the canopy. The canopy was a lost cause. It just folded, and it just broke. So I held it for a while, and then I ended up just laying it down and just taking the canopy off of it and come over here, and I was helping Sloan hold up the tent.
Thomas loves having a little bit of action. He loves it. He loves drama.
It was crazy.
He loves it.
Crazy. We were down a tarp. Everything else is okay though.
It's not called a tarp, it's a canopy.
A canopy. We don't have a.
People don't know it.
We got to get another 10 by 10 canopy.
But not anytime soon.
I'm gonna MacGyver this one though. I'm gonna make little straps. You strap it down to the ground and really just I should have just brought it down, you know. If I brought it down, it might have stayed. Okay.
I wish we could have recorded that.
Yeah, if we had that on video, it would have been sweet. I was just too busy holding it all together, making sure we don't lose everything.
Holding the tent and the canopy down.
Yeah. It's wild, guys. Yeah, we're all bummed out over here. The tarp just blew away, blew all our stuff away. We have our tent.
Prepare how you want.
Hey, what's up, guys? Yeah, we decided just to come on back home. We were pretty devastated from that windstorm. Just took us out, man. Brought us to our knees, man. It just pretty much blew everything off the table, blew the canopy down. I sat there and held it for about, I don't know, 10 minutes in the windstorm, and it just folded like a knife, man. And but yep, we're back home. We got some fish to clean. I got 2 pretty good sized blue cats, a striper, and a pretty good sized channel cat. And we're about to make some fillets up, probably give some to my brother and keep the rest. But yeah, man, we had a good trip. Sloan, she went to go vacuum out the car because it was full of sand. But yeah, if you guys like the content, man, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. But you guys stick around, we'll catch you on the next one.